Welcome, plant lovers! Ever dreamed of a home filled with continuous blooms, no matter the season? Today, we're exploring 14 interior plants that can flower all year long, bringing color, life, and even fragrance into your home every single day. The best part? Most of these plants are easier to care for than you think, especially when you create the right environment for them. Simple things like proper lighting, consistent watering, and even using the right setup can make a huge difference in how often your plants bloom. So get ready to transform your space into a living, breathing indoor garden. 1. The African violet. Let's start with the beautiful African violet. These compact plants are known for their soft, velvety leaves and vibrant flowers in shades of purple, pink, blue, and even white. They thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer evenly moist soil. If your home doesn't get much natural sunlight, placing them near a small indoor plant light can really help keep those blooms coming consistently. With the right care, African violets can flower almost non-stop. 2. The peace lily. Next, we have the elegant peace lily. Its glossy leaves and white blooms give it a clean, modern look, perfect for any room. It's also known for helping improve indoor air quality. Peace lilies are great because they actually tell you when they need water. They droop slightly. To make things easier, many people like using self-watering pots so the plant stays hydrated without the risk of overwatering. They do well in medium to low light, making them perfect for apartments. 3. The kalanchoe. The kalanchoe is a colorful flowering succulent that produces clusters of bright blooms. You'll often see it in reds, oranges, yellows, and pinks. It loves bright light and well-draining soil. If you want to maximize blooms, using a proper cactus soil mix or a pot with excellent drainage can really help. Let the soil dry between watering, and it will reward you with vibrant flowers. 4. Orchids. Orchids might look intimidating, but Phalaenopsis orchids are actually very beginner-friendly. Their blooms can last for months, making them one of the most rewarding indoor plants. They prefer bright, indirect light and higher humidity. If your home feels dry, especially in winter, a small humidifier nearby can help them thrive and rebloom more often. 5. The Christmas cactus. The Christmas cactus is known for its unique segmented leaves and beautiful hanging flowers. Despite the name, it can bloom multiple times a year under the right conditions. It prefers indirect light and cooler temperatures. Placing it on a small plant stand near a window helps it get enough light without being exposed to harsh direct sun. 6. Jasmine. If you love fragrance, jasmine is a must-have. Its small white flowers release a sweet scent that can fill an entire room. It needs bright light and consistent watering. If natural light is limited, a soft indoor grow light can help maintain healthy blooms and keep the plant active year-round. 7. The lipstick plant. The lipstick plant is a unique trailing plant with bright red tubular flowers. It thrives in bright, indirect light and slightly humid conditions. Because it trails beautifully, it looks amazing in hanging planters or elevated plant stands, where it also gets better airflow. 8. Begonias. Begonias, especially Rieger types, are known for their lush, rose-like flowers. They bring a soft, decorative feel to any room. They prefer consistent moisture and indirect light. A simple moisture meter can help you avoid overwatering and keep your plant blooming longer. 9. Crown of thorns. The crown of thorns is a tough, drought-resistant plant that produces small but colorful flowers. It thrives in bright light and doesn't require much water. If you don't have strong natural light, placing it under a brighter grow light can help maintain steady blooming. 10. Geraniums. Geraniums are classic flowering plants that can grow indoors with the right setup. They need plenty of bright light and good airflow. Rotating them regularly or placing them in the brightest area of your home or under supplemental lighting helps them grow evenly and produce more blooms. 11. The shrimp plant. The shrimp plant is a fun and unusual plant that produces shrimp-shaped bracts. It thrives in indirect light and consistent moisture. Keeping humidity stable, especially during colder months, can significantly improve its flowering cycle. 12. Anthuriums. Anthuriums are tropical plants with glossy leaves and striking, waxy flowers. They bloom almost continuously when given the right care. They need bright, indirect light and higher humidity. A consistent setup, good lighting, proper watering, and stable humidity can make these bloom year-round. 13. The goldfish plant. The goldfish plant gets its name from its bright orange flowers that resemble tiny fish. It thrives in bright, indirect light and humid environments. It's perfect for shelves or hanging displays where you can better control its environment. 14. The Hoya wax plant. Finally, the Hoya, also known as the wax plant. It produces clusters of star-shaped, fragrant flowers that look almost unreal. Hoyas prefer bright, indirect light and can tolerate some neglect. Let the soil dry between watering and give them stable lighting conditions to encourage blooming. From African violets to Hoyas, these 14 interior plants prove that continuous blooming indoors is absolutely possible. With the right setup, good lighting, proper watering habits, and a few helpful tools, you can keep your home full of life and color all year long. Which of these plants is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're building your own indoor plant setup, I've included some simple tools and ideas below that can make caring for your plants much easier. Don't forget to like this video, share it with other plant lovers, and subscribe for more tips on creating a beautiful indoor garden.